Thoughts attract money.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction Personal Empowerment podcast. I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, your thoughts have incredible power, high flyers. And if you really want to maximize your ability to get off the ground financially, you're going to have to control and program your thinking. Your thoughts attract money. Say it. My thoughts attract money. So I'm going to share with you 7 important secrets, factors that you need to know and to incorporate on a regular basis to increase your income, to increase your attraction action. Oh, I like saying that. Attraction action. Do you like that, Rachel?
Yeah.
You do? Can you say it?
Attraction action.
Attraction action. It just feels good to say that. It feels good to see it happening when it begins to flow, when you allow it to flow. Are you ready? Number 1, always think solutions. We're kind of geared to think about problems and to think about challenges and to think about walls. What I want you to do is think about tunnels. I want you to think about going around the wall, over the wall. I want you to think about climbing over the mountain, under the mountain. I want you to think solutions. People that attract huge amounts of money have the same challenges you do, but they think solutions, where most people, the average person, only thinks in terms of problems. Affirm your own personal power over any financial obstacle and think about the solution. Whatever the financial obstacle is in your life right now, you have the power through your thoughts and through your mind to overcome it and to change it into an energy that literally edifies you and brings you wealth and abundance. Isn't that a wonderful thing? You have that power. You are a co-creator of your reality. Number 2, focus on what you desire, not what you fear. In almost every situation, there's an opportunity for fear, especially any situation that is going to catapult your finances. There's going to be some risk involved. There's going to be the element of surprise, the element of going in a new direction or a different direction than perhaps you've ever gone before. And that's okay. You're going to feel some fear. Let go of the fear and focus on your desires and the outcome instead. Focus on that new home. Focus on that new car. Focus on those dream vacations. Focus on a wallet filled with money and cash and credit cards, filled with excitement and power to do anything you desire. Focus on your desires, not on what you fear. Notice that I did not say wants. When you hear law of attraction gurus talk about wants, it can be kind of dangerous, because a want indicates something you don't have. A desire indicates something that you're bringing to life. Okay? So focus on your desires, not on your fears. and allow your desires to get bigger and your fears to get smaller. I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching and discover the power of miracle mentoring in your business, in your career, in your finances. You can change your financial future like that, like that, like that. Is that deja vu or what? Okay, number 3, act as if you have what you desire. Act as if you have the money that you crave, that you desire in your life. Act as if that money already exists in your bank account. It's already in a safe. It's already in your wallet. You see, when you act like you have money, you start to attract more money. When you act like you're broke and poor, when you talk about how broke you are, how busted you are, how much money you need, then you will attract more poverty. Your thoughts act as a magnet for the money you desire. So act as if you already possess the money. Number 4, have confidence in source energy. You are a part of an infinite universe and a part of a multi-universe. In other words, there are universes on top of universes. And you have the ability through your mind, through your intentions, through your connection to source energy to tap in to infinite power to pull in your life. I mean, when you think about it, how difficult is it for the universe to create for you $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, $1 million? How difficult is it for the universe that created the stars and the planets and the entire cosmos? I mean, it's almost ridiculously easy. And you need to believe that. You need to operate from that position. Number 5, believe totally in yourself. I am powerful. I am wealthy. I am abundant. I am a magnet for money. I am helpful to those I serve. Be what you aspire to be. Be the best version of yourself by totally and completely believing in yourself. It's absolutely essential. Number 6, learn specialized knowledge. You can have incredible power, incredible energy, a high vibration, but you need specialized knowledge, especially in the world we live in today. So if you need to go to school for 2 years, or if you need to take a course in order to have that specialized knowledge, I have one friend of mine, used to be a competitor actually, but he's far surpassed me in certain areas. And I really compliment him and applaud what he's done. He's acquired specialized knowledge, and he has taken his income and made it huge. And look he didn't have to go back to college. He did it on his own. He listened to specific podcasts. He talked to professionals. He read specific books. He got the knowledge he needed to make the money he desires. And now he's making bank. Isn't that nice? Let's applaud him. I like it. Absolutely. Learn specialized knowledge. And number 7 on the list, take inspired action. You see, there's many kinds of actions. They're just, I'm doing it. I've got to do it. It's on my list of things to do. Or there's that action where you stand up with your arms apart at a 45-degree angle, your hands in a fist, your arms are up, and you're breathing deep, and you're inspired, and you're saying to yourself, I am doing it now. And you're taking action. You feel like the universe is flowing through your body, and you just can't help yourself because you're so excited. You're so inspired. You have the alarm clock set for 7, but you get up at 6. You know, you want to go to bed at 10, but you're up till midnight. You're inspired. You're filled with energy. You're filled with the Spirit. And that's what it means to be inspired. If you'll do these 7 things, then your thoughts will attract money into your life faster than you can imagine. And I do mean that. Okay? I'm serious about that. Your thoughts attract money. Okay, this is Robert Zink, your miracle mentor, your mentor of light. Want to thank you for subscribing to us on YouTube, on iTunes, on Stitcher, all over the internet. We're now on Amazon. Hey, thank you so much, and you have a great day because you deserve it. Bye-bye now.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.